Hi guys, bit of a change of pace today. It's not going to be an RC video today. It's going to be a video about something that looks like that just behind me, which is my car. So I've had an E46 M3 now for a long time. I bought it in 2014. It's been a great car, been a really good car, but I've had it a long time. So you know, I've done a lot to it in that time. So I thought instead of doing some RC cars, I'll do a video about the actual car at the moment, because I'm just doing a restoration on it. I'm just starting a restoration on it. So I thought I'd do a video about what's gone on with the restoration so far. So I'll put a few pictures up at the end of the video of the car as I've had it and the various ways it's looked and stuff. Because I'm just like the RC cars. It's had different wheels on it and different this and different that. But at the moment, it's just had a huge amount of work done on it mechanically. So this video is going to be just to sort of. I've got a video of it all being done. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sort of show what's gone into it so far, and then I'll blog it on afterwards until it's finished. So yeah, nice to be back, guys. No RC cars, just because, well, I don't know any other, they're somewhere else, and it's winter, and I've been doing other stuff. So yeah, RC cars will be back, I guess, as soon as I decide to sit down and build one. I've got quite a few to build. So yeah, I've got quite a few to build. It is cold. We're hit freezing here in the UK at the moment, so they're good fun if you're in the mood for it. But it's morning at the moment, so sort of fancy really going out in the cold at the moment. So yeah, just to do a few videos about the car, and then we'll be back onto RCs after that. And I think I'll probably start off with trying to get back on top of a few builds that I've got going on, especially the Porsche build, which just sort of I just stopped dead because I was like, no, I'm too busy. I've stopped dead, and it's all boxed up, so everything's in the original box. The only thing with that is obviously it means getting back into something that was halfway through, and that's actually harder than starting something else. So I'm not sure what order everything's going to come in. I've got a lot of questions I've been asked, especially over the last year, about what I'm going to do next, and I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to do next. I've just retired from IT, so that's been a 25-year long career that I've just retired from. So yeah, I've been busy. I've just not had enough time. So yeah, I'm going to have a bit more time on my hands now. So yeah, we'll do the car thing for a bit. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any ideas, because it's all about the ideas still. I'll put the shots up of the way I've had it, and you guys can tell me what you think, because I've still got every bit in the shots I'm going to put up at the end of this video. I've still got every bit that made it look that way. At the moment, it's pretty much a standard M3 with slightly CSL wheels, but I've got all the rest of it to make it look whichever way I want, and I can do with some feedback really on what you guys think looks best. So yeah, that's it, and I shall see you on the other side.